Scientists James Watson and Francis Crick are the two generally credited with one of the most outstanding discoveries in the history of science. In the process of researching genes, they discovered the twisted ladder structure of deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, in 1953. Their discovery produced groundbreaking insight into genetic code, with the result being innumerable advancements in science, as well as many other fields. These results ended up allowing Watson and Crick to receive the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962. But how was this conclusion really formed? While Anthony Barrington Brown's famous photograph of Watson and Crick portrays a light-hearted scene, it wasn't all breakthroughs and celebrations. This story has a much darker, untold side, which is filled with malice, contempt, and controversy. Linus Pauling, the world's leading physical chemist, was also racing to uncover the DNA structure at the same time as Watson and Crick. They saw Pauling's incorrect model of DNA, which they had also created, and realized they only had a 2-month lead to create and publish the correct DNA structure. Also, at the same time, another scientist, Rosalind Franklin, was working on capturing the image of DNA on film. She succeeded with the famous picture entitled Photo 51. This is where the story becomes hazy. Franklin, not having shown many people this photo, was on the correct track to discovering the form of DNA before Watson and Crick, and this photo would have proven it. There was only one problem. An unknown person, undoubtedly close to Franklin, had shown this photo to Watson, who immediately recognized that their previous 3-stranded DNA models were incorrect, and that this 2-stranded model could now be proven. Watson and Crick gave no initial credit to neither Franklin nor Wilkins, whose X-ray studies established the correctness of the Watson-Crick proposal for DNA structure. In the end, Watson and Crick finally recognized Wilkins and Franklin's work to prove their model, but sadly, Franklin had died of cancer before she could be honored. So to whom does the credit really belong? Should more than just Watson and Crick be acknowledged for this discovery? And does it really matter how this outcome was achieved, as long as it provided a means to an end?